Travel. It sparks a desire in all of us, a longing for something new. Some places call to us more than others. Italy is one of those places. Instantly recognizable on the map, shaped like a boot, crowned by the Alps, and surrounded by the Mediterranean. Italy is more than a destination. It's a dream woven from history, art, and unforgettable food. Imagine the Roman Empire's ruins, the Renaissance's masterpieces, and tables overflowing with fresh, simple cuisine. But it's the atmosphere, the passion, the sunlight on ancient stone that makes Italy unforgettable. Why does Italy capture so many imaginations? Maybe it's the chance to walk in the footsteps of emperors and artists, or the vision of lively piazzas, rolling vineyards, and breathtaking coastlines. Italy is a tapestry of experiences, each corner revealing something new and beautiful. Let's begin our journey to discover why Italy stays with you long after you've left. What dreams does Italy promise? For some, it's romance, gondolas in Venice, sunsets in Tuscany. For others, it's history and art, standing in the Roman Forum, gazing at Michelangelo's David, wandering Pompeii. And for many, it's the food, a journey of flavors from region to region. Italy is a country of contrasts. Bustling Milan, tranquil hill towns, snow-capped Alps, sun-baked shores. Its appeal is timeless. Artists, writers, and travelers have been inspired here for centuries. Italy lives with its immense past while embracing the present with passion. This guide is your invitation to discover the magic of Italy. Let's explore what makes it so irresistible. Our journey begins in Rome, the eternal city. Every street is a living museum, echoing with centuries of history. Stand in the Colosseum where gladiators once fought and emperors ruled. Wander the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient public life. Marvel at the Pantheon's perfect dome, a testament to Roman ingenuity. Toss a coin in the Trevi fountain. Legend says you'll return. No visit is complete without Vatican City's St. Peter's Basilica, Michelangelo's Pietà, and the Sistine Chapel's breathtaking ceiling. Rome is layers of discovery, history, art, and spirit intertwined. It's overwhelming in the best way. Here the past feels alive. Every step connects you to a story centuries in the making. Rome is not just a city, it's an experience, and it's only the beginning. Next, we travel north to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Florence is intimate, yet its impact on art and culture is immense. The Duomo's iconic dome dominates the skyline, a marvel of engineering and beauty. The Uffizi Gallery and Accademia house masterpieces by Botticelli, Leonardo, and Michelangelo. Stand before Michelangelo's David, perfection in marble. Wander the Ponte Vecchio. Explore artisan workshops and savor gelato in sunlit piazzas. Florence invites you to slow down and soak in its artistic soul. Every street feels like an open-air gallery. Here, creativity and history are alive. Florence truly captures the heart. Now to Venice, a city built on water, where canals replace roads and gondolas glide beneath ancient bridges. Lose yourself in its winding alleys and discover hidden courtyards and quiet canals. St. Mark's Square is the city's heart, with its golden basilica and the Doge's palace. A gondola ride is a must, romantic, timeless, unforgettable. Then to Milan, Italy's modern powerhouse of fashion and design. The Duomo di Milano rises with Gothic splendor. Its rooftop offers sweeping city views. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II is a temple of style and elegance. Don't miss Leonardo's The Last Supper, a fragile masterpiece. Milan is dynamic, sophisticated, and deeply Italian. These cities offer contrasts. Venice's dreamlike beauty, Milan's urban energy, both are essential stops on any Italian journey. Each reveals a different side of Italy's soul, and both leave a lasting impression. Beyond the cities, Italy's coasts are legendary. The Amalfi Coast dazzles with cliffs plunging into turquoise sea, pastel towns like Positano, and the scent of lemons in the air. Amalfi's history and glamour blend with timeless Mediterranean beauty. Further north, Cinque Terre's 5 villages cling to rugged cliffs above the Ligurian Sea. Hiking trails connect these colorful, car-free gems, each with its own charm. Both coasts offer fresh seafood, warm hospitality, and unforgettable views. The Amalfi Coast feels grand and opulent. Cinque Terre is rustic and intimate. Here, you reconnect with nature's artistry. These are places to escape, to savor, to dream. Italy's coastline is pure magic. Look north to Italy's Alps and the Dolomites. Jagged peaks, lush valleys, and alpine meadows. In winter, world-class skiing. In summer, hiking and breathtaking views. The Dolomites' pale mountains glow pink at dawn and orange at sunset. Descend to the Italian lakes, Como, Garda, Maggiore, where grand villas meet shimmering water. Lake Como is elegance itself. Lake Garda offers adventure and history. Each lake has its own personality, its own charm. Here, the pace slows. Enjoy a boat ride, a lakeside coffee, or a stroll through gardens. The contrast of rugged mountains and gentle waters is stunning. This is a landscape of harmony and beauty, another facet of Italy's endless allure. Now let us wander into the heart of Italy, into its iconic countryside. This is the Italy of rolling hills, ancient olive groves, and vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see. Tuscany is, of course, the most famous image of this idyllic landscape. But regions like Umbria, Le Marche, and Puglia also offer their own versions of rustic charm. Here, the connection to the land is ancient and profound. It's a landscape that has been shaped by centuries of agriculture, yet feels timeless and profoundly peaceful. This is where you feel the true soul of Italy. Imagine driving through Tuscany. The landscape unfolds like a Renaissance painting. Rows of cypress trees stand like sentinels along winding roads. Medieval hill towns crowned with ancient castles or churches appear on the horizon. Stone farmhouses or casali dot the landscape, their terracotta roofs glowing warmly in the sun. This is a place to slow down, to breathe deeply. The colors are soft ochre, sienna, olive green. It's a gentle beauty that soothes the spirit and invites contemplation. Every view is a postcard, every moment a cherished memory in the making. One of the best ways to experience the Italian countryside is through an agriturismo. These are working farms that offer accommodation to visitors. It's a chance to immerse yourself in rural life, to wake up to the sounds of the countryside, to taste truly local food, often made with ingredients grown right there on the farm. Many offer cooking classes, wine tastings, or opportunities to participate in farm activities. It's an authentic experience, far removed from the tourist crowds. It connects you to the land, to the traditions, and to the people who cultivate it. The Italian countryside offers a different kind of nourishment. It's not just about the delicious food and wine, though that is certainly a highlight. It's about the pace of life, the emphasis on simple pleasures, a long lunch under a shady pergola, a quiet walk through an olive grove, the warmth of a family-run trattoria. This is where you can truly unwind and recharge. The beauty of the landscape is undeniable, but it's the spirit of the place, the connection to age-old traditions, that makes Italy's countryside so deeply enchanting and restorative. Italian food. Where do we even start? It's more than just eating. It's a language of love, a way to celebrate life. The secret? Fresh ingredients, simple recipes, and lots of heart. Every region, every family has its own traditions. Meals are events, slow, joyful, and shared. Antipasto, pasta, meats, and of course dessert. Pizza from Naples, pasta from Rome, pesto from Liguria. Each dish tells a story. Visit a market, taste the pride in every bite, and don't forget the gelato. This is how you truly taste Italy. Italy pulses with life, especially in its vibrant festivals and enduring customs. From Gran Carnevale in Venice to the thrilling Palio di Siena, these events are the heartbeat of Italy. Festivals connect locals and visitors, celebrating history, food, and community spirit. Daily customs like the evening passeggiata and lively family meals reveal Italy's warmth. Embrace local etiquette, savor the traditions, and you'll truly experience the soul of Italy. The Italian language is like music, so full of feeling, so lovely to hear. You don't need to speak it perfectly. Just a simple buongiorno or grazie can open doors and bring a warm smile. Italians appreciate when you try, even if your words aren't perfect. These small connections are what make travel special. And don't forget to enjoy la dolce vita, finding happiness in simple things, savoring every moment. That's the real Italian way. Getting around Italy is an adventure in itself. The country offers a wonderful network of options: planes, trains, and automobiles, each offering a unique way to experience Italy's beauty. Glide between cities on high-speed trains, soar by plane, or take the wheel and explore winding country roads. Trains are efficient and scenic, while driving gives you freedom to discover hidden gems. Plan your route, embrace the journey, and enjoy every moment of travel in Italy. After a day of exploration, you'll need a welcoming place to rest. Italy offers a vast array of accommodation, something to suit every taste, every budget, every dream. From opulent five-star hotels in historic palazzos to charming family-run bed and breakfasts, you can find sleek modern design or rustic traditional comfort. The choice of where you stay can significantly shape your Italian experience. It's more than just a bed for the night. It's your temporary Italian home, a base for your adventures, and a sanctuary to recharge. Think about what kind of atmosphere you're seeking. Hotels in Italy range from the grand to the modest. In major cities, you'll find iconic luxury hotels, often housed in beautifully preserved historic buildings. These offer impeccable service and prime locations, but there are also countless boutique hotels, each with its own unique character and style. International hotel chains offer familiarity and reliability. Smaller, independent hotels often provide a more personal touch. Star ratings can be a useful guide, but always read recent reviews. Location is key. Consider proximity to sites, transport links, and the kind of neighborhood vibe you prefer. Many hotels offer a wonderful Italian breakfast. For a more intimate or unique stay, consider alternatives to traditional hotels. Bed and breakfasts or B&Bs are very popular. They are often family-run, offering a glimpse into local life and usually a delicious homemade breakfast. Agriturismi, farm stays are a fantastic option in the countryside. You can stay on a working farm, enjoy fresh local produce, and experience rural tranquility. Apartment rentals, through platforms like Airbnb, have also become widely available. These offer more space, kitchen facilities, and the chance to live like a local, shopping at markets and cooking your own meals. These options can provide a deeper connection to the place. Booking your accommodation in advance is highly recommended, especially if you're traveling during peak season, which is typically summer, or during major holidays and festivals. Popular places fill up quickly. Online booking platforms are convenient, allowing you to compare prices and read reviews. Pay close attention to cancellation policies. When choosing a location, think about your priorities. Do you want to be in the heart of the action, or in a quieter, more residential area? Don't underestimate the value of a good night's sleep to fuel your Italian adventures. Your chosen haven will be an important part of your memories. When is the perfect time to visit Italy? It depends on what you're looking for. Italy is a year-round destination, with each season offering its own charm. Many travelers love the shoulder seasons, spring and autumn, for mild weather and fewer crowds. Spring brings blooming landscapes and comfortable temperatures. Autumn offers golden scenery and harvest festivals. Summer is lively but crowded and hot. Winter is quiet with festive markets and skiing in the Alps. Whatever the season, pack layers and comfortable shoes. Italy is a safe and welcoming country, but like any popular destination, it pays to be aware. In crowded piazzas and markets, keep an eye on your belongings. Pickpockets can be skilled. Politely refuse street scams like free bracelets or petitions. With taxis, make sure the meter is running or agree on a fare. In restaurants, check your bill for extra charges. A little vigilance ensures your Italian memories are all wonderful ones. Understanding a little local etiquette can truly enhance your Italian experience. In restaurants, tipping isn't required. Just round up if you wish and expect a coperto cover charge. Dress modestly for churches, covering shoulders and knees. Italians value looking neat, la bella figura. And polite greetings like buongiorno go a long way. Respect historical sites, follow posted rules, and be patient with the local pace. Embrace these customs to connect more deeply with Italy's spirit. Our journey through Italy draws to a close, but your adventure is just beginning. From ancient Roman streets to Renaissance masterpieces and dreamy Venetian canals, Italy has unfolded its wonders before us. We've tasted sun-ripened cuisine and felt the warmth of the Mediterranean sun. Get lost in charming alleyways and embrace the spirit of La Dolce Vita. Carry Italy's wonder with you and let your own unforgettable story begin. Buon viaggio! Please help and encourage the creators by subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.